Now we start to create our dashboard here. Select this color, this one, and from U, select on the right. Okay, this one is equal to calculation, this one. Okay, the one is equal to this one. This, but above I make another row, I make it smaller, and this one I'm going to make it big. KPI 2, I'm gonna drag this, I'm gonna center this part, this is going to be okay. We do like this, and then we go down for 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, so we're getting the data from our table, from this one. We just created our table, then we're going to make it bold. Okay, we're going to input some ready buttons, so go to the developer ribbon, insert this option here. Oops. Okay, even I remove the text from this one. I call it even smaller and make it larger here. This I'm going to make particular alignment like this. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit bigger here. Okay, you also can give a name to these red buttons. Okay, here we are, and we need another one. This one. I can see here now I have there. Okay, if I click here, I sort according to this. So I'm going to the developer ribbon, insert scroll bar here. Okay, and this scroll bar is equal to calculations, this one. Okay, now we will see that we're going to change exactly, okay, the display part. This is something we have to solve here because we cannot come back to this. Okay, we're going to adjust this. Formal control, minimum is 1 and maximum is 100. Okay, so you need to do this formal control, and then current value this. Okay, so we created our first check here. Now that we created this table, we are going to see how to display the charts.